New tonight at 10, 3 people are facing drug charges after Belpre police executed a search warrant. Bobby and Chad Walker and Monica Starcher were arrested at 1613 Washington Boulevard. Belpre PD says Bobby Walker faces 2 counts of controlled substance and 1 count of permitting drug abuse. Chad Walker faces 1 count of permitting drug abuse. Starcher faces 2 counts of possession of drugs and 1 count of tampering with evidence. Belpre PD says future charges are expected. Police say they found drugs and drug paraphernalia and items associated with the sale of drugs. The arrests are the result of a month-long investigation between the Washington County SRT team, the Washington County Sheriff's Office detectives, and Belpre PD.